to the Jsodet crochet channel. This video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the half double crochet bolster stitch in an increasing round. So I've already started and I just did 8 single crochet stitches here in the middle, and I switched over to half double crochets. So here I have 2 half double crochet in each stitch around, so I have a total of 16. So now I'm on the next round where I will be crocheting 1 half double crochet bolster stitch in the next stitch, and then 2 half double crochet bolster stitch in the next stitch. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So let me finish up the second one here. Okay, so we're going to start off next with our 1 half double crochet bolster stitch in the next stitch. So again, we will skip this stitch right here, and this is our next stitch right here on my left. So we're going to yarn over, insert hook into that next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop for 3 loops on your hook. You're going to pivot the hook in front of your work, inserting it to that previous stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop so that you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and draw through all loops on your hook. So the next one, we're going to do 2 half double crochet bolster stitches in the next stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert hook into this next stitch over here on my left, yarn over, draw up a loop for 3, inserting that hook in front of your work into that previous stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop for 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and draw through all loops on your hook. Now we're just going to do that again in that same stitch that we just did. So insert hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, pivot hook, insert, yarn over, draw up a loop for 4, yarn over and draw through all loops on your hook. And that's it. And then you're just going to keep doing that for each increasing round. So the next round would be 1 half double crochet bolster stitch in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 half double crochet bolster stitches in the next stitch. And you'll just keep doing that as many rounds as you would like to increase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to see more videos like this. You can also follow me at Jsodet Crochet on Instagram and Jsodet Crochet Facebook page. So if you like this video, give me a like. Any comments or questions, leave in the comments below. Thank you.